you ready? You have to measure the pasta. So pour your pasta, your soup into the cup. Gotta show the camera.
So right here. So right now I'm gonna put these in. They're noodles.
You go ahead and put it into the water now. No, be careful. Go. Good job. Okay, and then you can measure some.
No, I just put it
okay.
inside. It's a lot.
A little bit more. A little bit more. Okay, there.
Do we mix it yet?
Not yet. It'll start boiling.
We just had to save this, right, Dad?
Yeah.
Daddy, the little grapes were so cute.
I have noodles in there and the seasoning. Just gotta boil a little bit. And you can mix it.
Wait, now I can mix it?
Huh?
Now we can mix it?
You can mix it a little bit. Go.
I'm scared if it burns it.
Yeah, just.
Can I mix it with this? Or can I mix it with that?
No, mix it with that one. So take turns.
What are you guys making?
Soup? For you don't
Just
have
slowly,
to give
okay?
us soup.
Okay, now you can mix it a little bit. Okay, now you put it right here.
Can you spoon it? I want to put it in.
No, you know it's not ready.
Huh?
It's not ready.
Then where do I put this?
Right here. And then cover the soup.
That's my spoon.
Cover the soup.
Cover it. Put it on top.
Careful.
Be careful. It feels hot.
I know. Okay,
Let me do it.
just like that.
And,
Can we wait
Daddy,
5 minutes?
This is my spoon. This is my...
So, who wants to check the soup? Open the lid. Open it.
Let's see if we can.
See how it looks.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, careful. Okay. Now, so Bella, mix it and then check the noodles.
This is barely hot when I
A little bit. Almost. Okay, put it down. So it needs like another 5 minutes.
Okay. It's getting cold right here, Dad. I feel hot. Can I...
Okay, so the soup is almost ready.
Yes. Yes. And I have my spoon.
Okay, so I'm gonna grab it and mix, pour it into this bowl, but it's gonna be really hot.
Can I
So
try mine? My spoon? Hurry, before you burn yourself. You need a napkin for it. See, I've seen it from the videos. You need it. They have
Okay.
that kind of thing. So you need it.
it's really hot.
Hurry. Hurry. Before you burn yourself.
Where's the spoon?
Daddy, turn off the fire. Okay, I'm really excited to turn off the fire. Because I don't know what is it, so I'm really excited to taste it. And then turn off the fire off that. But I have this one where I can just eat the noodles.
Careful, it's really hot.
Did I use this one then? This one works.
Okay, try it, but it's really hot, so careful, guys.
Be careful with the juice.
You gotta blow on it.
Whoa.
Blow on it, baby, so you don't burn.
Blow. Make sure it doesn't fall. It's actually good. Not hot. Actually pretty good. It is good. You make me touch here and it burn me.
So I said be careful.
Hey Sophia, you're in my side. Can I try? Can't really see this. The juice is pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
When Bella has holes on her, he can't drink soup to drink. I can try to. Okay. Hey, Sophia. I just like it. Is it my turn to eat it? Is it my turn to the phone next to me? And then her with the soup? Okay. Bella ate all the soup. No, I didn't. The soup is good. The fire's burning.
Let's waste stuff.
Yeah?
Huh.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be because we blow. Okay, guys, this is how you make soup. So bye. Be sure to subscribe and like our videos. Like our videos. Give it a big thumbs up. Give it a big thumbs up if you like the soup.